What is up, guys? In this video I'm going to be showing you how to replace your cabin filter in your 2010 Subaru Forester, or pretty much any Subaru. They're all very similar. So if you get some knowledge out of this video or it helps you, please smash the subscribe button, but I'll get right into it. So what you're going to do is open your glove box right here, let that drop down. So there's two sides of this. You're going to want to pull this side in and also this side in, and then you're going to want to pull down. And then also there's a dampener right here you gotta pop off. So all you do is click this off to the side, this little dampener. You just pop it off the bottom. Boom, comes off. Get that out. Get that out. And it drops right out. So now there's these four little things you pull on, and it'll cut your cabin filter, will come right out. There's the old cabin filter. It's what it looks like. I don't have a new one, so I'm just gonna put this, I'm gonna tap this out and put a new one in. Bunch of leaves in there, it's kind of gross. But that's how you do it. Then you just reassemble everything. Next, we're gonna put these two clips in. 1, 2, and then close it up like that, and there you go. All done. If you guys got some knowledge out of this video, please smash that subscribe button. Peace.